Good morning, children. So welcome back to the online session of a mathematics class. So we are discussing about the lesson number system. In the number system, last class we have discussing about operations on real numbers. So what are the rules we need to maintain while doing the operations on real numbers, which is a combination of both rationals and then irrationals. We have those three rules. So those three rules we need to maintain while doing the operations on real numbers. Okay. So we have discussed some of the exercises also based on that operations on real numbers. So in today's class, we will learn a new concept, that is rationalizing the denominator, which is fifth main, rationalize the denominator. So how to rationalize the denominator and what do you mean by rationalize the denominator? So you can observe the question. So you can say that whether the given number is a rational number or irrational number. Given number is a rational number or irrational number. You can observe that numerator is a rational 1 is a rational number. Denominator is root 7, which is irrational number. So division of or quotient of non-zero rational then irrational will always what? Rule 2, irrational number only. Sum or difference of rational number and then irrational number is always irrational. Rule 1. Rule 2. Product and quotient of a non-zero rational and then irrational will be always irrational only. So of course 1 is a non-zero rational, root 7 is a irrational, quotient of non-zero rational with the irrational will always irrational. Therefore 1 by root 7 is an irrational number. 1 by root 7 is an irrational number. So of course it is an irrational number. So what we need to do in this question? We need to rationalize the denominator. We need to rationalize the denominator. What is the denominator here? Root 7. Denominator here is root 7. Numerator is 1. Denominator is root 7. Of course root 7 is an irrational number. We need to bring it to the rational number. We should bring it to the rational number. But the answer is irrational number only. We are not going to change irrational number to rational number. That is not possible also. It is an irrational number. We can't able to bring it to the rational number because it is an irrational number, right? So, but we can able to change the denominator irrational number into a rational number. The overall number is irrational only. 1 by root 7 is irrational. Whatever the operations you can do it on this, the answer will be irrational only. But the thing is, we are adding the denominator root 7, that we can make it into a rational number. That we can make it into a rational number. Only the denominator, not the complete number. Only the denominator. Only the denominator, they have given the irrational number. I can change it into rational number. That is rationalizing the denominator. Rationalizing the denominator, not the whole number, only the denominator. Only the denominator. We'll see that how to do that. Okay. Here is the question is 1 by root 7. Here is our denominator is root 7, which is irrational number. We should bring it to the rational number. Only the denominator. Okay. The answer. So what is the number is 1 by root 7. In order to rationalize the denominator, very easy. Suppose I am having root 7. It is a irrational number. If I want to bring it to rational number, do one thing. Multiply with root 7. What will happen? Root 7 into root 7. Root 7 whole square. Square will get cancelled. What is remaining? 7. 7 is what? Rational number. That's it. So, if I want to bring it to the irrational number, the rational number, multiply with the same number, then you will be getting the rational number. This is applicable for only the denominator. Only the denominator. You will see that. Okay. So what we need to do in order to bring it to the rational number? multiply and divide by root 7. Multiply and divide by root 7. Multiply and divide by root 7. Or otherwise multiply both numerator and denominator by root 7. Okay, that is also true. Multiply numerator and denominator by multiply numerator and denominator by root 7. Root 7. Okay, we do that. 1 by root 7. We have to multiply both denominator and then numerator by root 7. Why? Whenever we are taking the assumption, okay, if you simplify this step, again this is equal to the step whatever we have taken. Okay, so if I cancel root 7, numerator root 7, denominator root 7, what is the answer? 1 by root 7. That is our number. So whatever the assumption you are taking, that should not affect the original number. That should not affect the original number. 1 by root 7 is the number they are given. We can do any of the operations. Okay. But if you do that, that will not affect the original number. If you simplify it, again you should go to the original number. That is the rule in mathematics. Whatever the assumption you can take on that number, that will not affect the original number. That will not affect the original number. Okay. If you are multiplying only with the denominator, then you can't be able to bring into the original number. So what is the simplification? 1 by root 7 into root 7, you will be getting 7. 1 by 7. But the original number is 1 by root 7. Here I am getting 1 by 7, which is wrong. Okay. So assumption you are taking in the sense that should not affect the original number whatever you have given. So that's why if you want to multiply with the denominator root 7, you should multiply with the numerator also. Then you can cancel it both, then the number will become the original number only. Okay. So since we are having rationalizing the denominator, multiply the numerator, denominator, right? 1 into root 7, 1 into root 7 in the numerator, root 7 into root 7. Root 7 whole square in the denominator. 1 into root 7 is root 7 only. Root 7 whole square, square and square will get cancelled. 7. Now you can observe that root 7 by 7, 1 by root 7. Both are same. Both are irrational number only. Okay. But observe the denominator. Here denominator is 7. Here denominator is 7. Here is irrational number. Here it is rational number. Only the denominator. Only the denominator. So we have bought denominator into a rational number. This is called as rationalizing the denominator. Rationalizing the denominator. Only the denominator. Okay. Remember that root 7 by 7, 1 by root 7. Both are irrational number only. Both are irrational number only. Only the denominator, the question they are given irrational number, we have bring it to the rational number. Okay. So this is the first question. Okay. The rationalizing the denominator concept. Okay. Like this we can rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. So we go for the second one, B, which is 1 by root 7 minus root 6. There we have given only the one number in the denominator, either root 7 or root 6. Then you know that what will the denominator will be there. You multiply with the same number, both with the numerator and denominator, simplify it, rationalization of the denominator is done. Suppose they are given a combination of two irrational numbers by using the operation addition or subtraction. So what to do? Okay, we will see that. So 1 by root 7 minus root 6. Here also multiply both numerator and denominator with the same number whatever are given in the denominator with the opposite sign. With the opposite sign here they are given negative. So multiply both numerator by root 7 plus 6, root 7 plus 6 with the numerator and denominator. That's it. Okay. So we write that multiply numerator and denominator by root 7 plus root 6. Why plus? Since they are given minus here in the question. So in order to rationalize the denominator, I should multiply numerator and denominator by root 7 plus root 6. Okay, we'll see that. So 1 by root 7 minus root 6 into numerator I should multiply with root 7 plus root 6. Denominator also I should multiply with root 7 plus root 6. Root 7 plus 6. If you cancel it, again the number is 1 by root 7 minus root 6 only. That is equal to our original number. Okay. Now, in order to bring it to the denominator in the rational number, I have taken this assumption. Then I should multiply with the numerator and then denominator. We'll see that denominator will come to rational number or not. Okay. So we'll do that. So 1 into root 7 plus root 6 in the denominator, root 7 minus root 6 into root 7 plus root 6. Okay. So in the numerator, 1 into root 7 plus root 6, 1 into anything is anything only, the number itself. So 1 into root 7 plus root 6, root 7 plus root 6 only in the numerator. Denominator, root 7 minus root 6 into root 7 plus root 6. If you observe it carefully, a minus b into a plus b, a minus b into a plus b. It is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. What is a minus b into a plus b? A square minus b square. Identity, right? Identity 3 or 4 in the polynomials. A minus b into a plus b or a plus b into a minus b will be equal to a square minus b square. You know that it is a plus b into a minus b will be equal to a square minus b square. You know this, right? So you can observe it very carefully. This is a minus b into a plus b. In the place of a we have root 7. In the place of b we have root 6. Okay. What is that? A square minus b square. That means root 7 square minus root 6 square. Correct? So root 7 square minus root 6 square. Correct? A square minus b square. A minus b into a plus b can be written as a square minus b square. Identity. Okay. Now in the denominator, square root will cancel. Square root will cancel. So write the remaining. Numerator I am having root 7 plus root 6. Denominator, after cancellation of square and square, what is remaining? 7 minus cancellation of square and square root 6. Okay, clear? Now, further simplification, root 7 plus root 6 as it is in the numerator, 7 minus 6 will become 1. You can observe the denominator 1, which is rational number. Whereas in the question, root 7 minus root 6, which is a irrational number, we are bringing it to the rational number. Of course, the complete number is an irrational number only. Here also the complete number is a irrational number only in the question. Here also the complete number is a irrational number only. If you concentrate only the denominator, here is the denominator is a irrational number, we are bringing it to the rational number. That means rationalizing the denominator. Rationalizing the denominator. Only the denominator. Remember that. Okay? So we have third one, which is 1 by root 5 plus root 2. Here we are having plus root 2. Initially we are having negative operation. We are having addition operation now. We will see that how to do when we are having plus. Okay. So answer is 1 by root 5 plus root 2. So in order to bring into the denominator as a rational number, they have given root 5 plus root 2 in the denominator. So from which value I need to multiply both numerator and denominator? Root 5 minus root 2. That's it. The same number with the opposite operation. They have given positive, you should multiply with the negative. They have given negative, you should multiply with the positive. Okay. So root 5 plus root 2 given. So I should multiply both numerator and denominator by root 5 minus root 2. Okay. Multiply both numerator and denominator by root 5 minus root 2. Clear? Root 5 minus root 2. We'll do that. So 1 by root 5 plus root 2. We will be multiplying with numerator root 5 minus root 2 divided by denominator also should multiply with root 5 minus root 2. Clear? Now, simplification, multiply the numerator 1 into root 5 minus root 2 in the numerator, denominator. Root 5 into root 2, root 5, root 5 plus root 2. Root 5 plus root 2 into root 5 minus root 2. Okay. In the numerator, 1 into root 5 minus root 2, root 5 minus root 2 only. In the denominator, a plus 3 into a minus 3. Root 5 plus 2, root 5 minus 2. Root 5 plus 2 into root 5 minus 2. A plus 3 into a minus 3 will be equal to a square minus b square. That means in the place of a we have root 5, in the place of b we have root 2. That means root 5 whole square minus root 2 whole square. Okay. So again, square and square root will get cancelled, square and square root will get cancelled. Clear? So in the numerator we have root 5 minus root 2. Denominator, after cancellation of square root and square, what is remaining? 5 minus here 2. Okay. So further simplification, root 5 minus root 2. In the denominator we have 5 minus 2 will be equal to 3. Observe the denominator is a rational number. So that means denominator is rationalized. Denominator is rationalized. Clear? So we have one more question, fourth one. I will give it to you as a homework. Okay. Along with this, I will give you some more questions. Do that in your home. Okay. So this is fourth one. 1 over root 7 minus 2. Observe that square root will be for 7 and this is only 2. Root 7 minus 2. So from which value you should multiply both numerator and denominator? Here the denominator is root 7 minus 2. So you will be multiplying with what? Root 7 plus 2. Root 7 plus 2. That's it. So multiply both numerator and denominator, simplify it. Look at the answer what we are getting. Okay. So this is homework for you. We will give you one more homework. One over 2 plus root 3. Sixth one, 1 by root 2. Seventh one, 1 by root 3 plus root 5. Okay. So these are all the homeworks. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to do it in your homework book and you have to submit to me tomorrow. Okay. So if you have any doubts in today's class, please get back to me through my WhatsApp number or else you can call me. Okay. So thank you. We will meet in the next video.